Water play. Water play is an important resource in early years settings and part of continuous play provision. It's an important play item for children as they can learn lots of scientific and mathematical concepts. It also has therapeutic properties and can be used with other things added such as colourings, essential oils, ice cubes or bubbles. Water play can be used inside or outside for children to play independently with or as part of a group in a large water tray. Water play can be used both indoors and outside and should be available every day for the children to use as it has therapeutic as well as many other qualities. It can help soothe the shy, nervous or excited child and encourages concentration. It has many other benefits too, such as encouraging questioning and reasoning, discovering new ideas and concepts such as sinking and floating, negotiating ideas with others, experimenting with materials and equipment, repetition of skills to master them, making choices and working alongside others, and sharing materials. Different containers can be used for water play, such as washing up bowls, trays or plastic toy boxes, as well as the traditional water tray usually found in settings. Ensure that there is enough equipment if more than one child is using the water tray to reduce friction and so that everyone can play. It will be beneficial to have a mop and bucket available so that children can help to mop up the spills if it gets messy to prevent slips and falls. Water trays can have all kinds of pouring equipment in them, such as old plastic bottles with holes in the sides, jugs, funnels, tubing and buckets, stacking cups and containers, empty plant pots, water wheels or toys. As well as having materials to play with in the water itself can be changed by putting paint or food colouring into it to enhance play. You could also try putting essential oils in there like lavender or lemon to make the water smell nice. Washing up liquid will make it bubbly and add an extra dimension to the water. It's also worth thinking about covering the floor with a non-slip waterproof mat and having aprons to try to keep the children dry whilst they are playing. Some ideas to try. Make the water bubbly with some washing up liquid and put some dolls and flannels in the water so that children can bath the dolls. You could even add the dolls' clothes to be washed too and later hung out to dry. When it is winter, it could be fun to find out about ice, so some ice cubes could be added to the water tray with animals such as penguins or polar bears frozen inside them the night before. The children could then watch them melt and get at the animals or to try and dig them out with an ice pick spoon. Another idea is to make little paper boats and have a go at floating them on the water. Little races could be held to see whose boat is the fastest. Add some lemon oil to the water with fresh slices of lemon and some teacups and plates in the water tray. Collect some plastic bottles and skewer holes in them and put them in the water tray with funnels and jugs for filling. The water will cascade out as soon as they are filled. Set up a car wash station in the garden and get the children to wash the cars or even the staff cars with soapy water and sponges. Remember to have lots of towels and spare clothes ready for when they have finished playing too. Adults need to support and encourage all children to enable them to gain in confidence and try new things. They need to be available to explore with them and talk about things that interest young children outdoors, listening and responding to their questions. Children need to be supervised at all times, indoors and outdoors, yet allowed freedom to take risks and manage their own play. Planning for the curriculum and next steps in development will help adults to know what it is that children need to learn next, but will also extend their play ideas while having fun exploring and experimenting. Adults need to observe how play is being managed and change areas if necessary to meet the needs and interests of the children. Thank you for listening. Here are my contact details. Please subscribe to the channel.